recording. Now that's the recording, I think. Quizzes can be used in telephones, in Androids, in iOS, or tablets, or desktop. You can use wherever you want, and it allows students and teachers to be online at the same time. It uses a quiz-style teaching and learning method where a user answers questions in a series independently and contends with other users on the same quiz. Students can use quizzes on electronic devices with pros like laptops, iPads, and smartphones, as I said before. Now that I will introduce the program on application side. And at the end of my presentation, I will do a minimal quiz for you. First of all, in Google section, I'm writing quizzes, and then I'm clicking this one. If you have an counter, you can log in from there, log in with Gmail, and it's automatically will enter I forgot sharing. Can you see my screen now that?
Okay, we can
Yes.
see.
Yes. If you want to create on your own quizzes, you can click there and select the quiz button. And then you can name your quizzes, for example, grammar. And then you can choose which subject you want. I choose English, and there are lots of subjects in there. After it, I'm clicking next. There are lots of question types in there. For example, I'm choosing multiple choice. And if there are ready-made questions on Word, I'm just copying, and then I'm coming there and I am pasting it like this, and I'm cutting these options like this. Sorry for the missing words. And I am set up seconds, for example, 10 seconds. And at this time, I'm giving the right option. Then I'm clicking the right options and I'm saving like this. If you want to add a new question, you click there, and again the same steps. And after that, I'm again set up the time and choose the right option. Lisa doesn't like cold weather. And then save it. Now that I prepared two questions for this quiz, and after it, I click the down button, and if you want, you can drag and drop or click here a match. I select language English. From you can do which classes is suitable for it, like this, and public visible to everyone. And then I am saving again. And after it, I go to my library, and there it is ready. After it, I'm clicking Start Play Quiz, Classic, and I'm choosing the Continue button. After it, I send a code, entering joining code to my students or to my people who wants to solve the quiz, and then I'm clicking Start. If you want to do your own quizzes, also you can click Explore button, and you can search for quizzes on any topic. I'm searching for English again, and then I'm entering, and you can see that there are a lot of ready-made questions, not just questions, but also I choose some for my library. I will show it to you. For example, favorites one. There are lots of questions, and also lessons notes like this. For example, simple past tense in English. Quizizz presentation for lessons, and a lot of notes, not just for quizzes, like this. And you can save in your library, in favorites group, and whenever you want, you can send just join code to your students, and they can enter it like this. Sorry, I'm very excited and I'm very tired today. If you are ready, I want to do some quiz for you. I want everyone to enter the Google Quizizz join. You will write Google Quizizz join. First of all, you can write quizzes and then join. I will send a game code. Can you see my code on my screen, Zoom screen?
Yes.
Yes, I can see.
You will join my quizzes. You will click this code, and please write your name and surname on it so that I can see on my page your names. Now that, waiting for participants to join. Yes, Güler teacher entered. And Christina came. Zeynep teacher came. Every teacher came. I'm waiting for the other friends. And Veronica came. And two friends left. And Dorina came. Just Ahmet teacher, I think. Ahmet teacher. Can you hear me, Ahmet teacher? At the end of the game, there will be a three full stop screen. If you want to press one of them, the test will give you the second chance for the one you didn't do the right. Okay? So click one of them and the system will give another chance for you. And between the questions, there will be some pages, some image. Wait after it passes. My teacher didn't hear me, so I'm starting now. Yes.
Daha bitmedi mi? Ben çıktım.
Galiba benim de bitti ama.
Yes, when you finish the quizzes, it will end on its own. But when you all finished, I will end from my page. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, I think everyone finished it. And I'm ending from my page, as you can see. And yes, the first one is Christina, and second Güler, and the third one Ahmet teacher. And you can see the details on this page. Like this. If you want, you can send email to all parents.
So nobody got the first question correct.
Yes,
That's funny.
I think the hardest one is the first question. As you can see. And the easiest question.
What was the first question?
What was let me look it.
The first and the other one that nobody got right. So there are two questions that nobody got right.
Now that I'm trying to.
First and sixth question, yes.
Can we see again what the questions were?
I will show it now.
Prepared these questions. It was funny. Nobody got it right.
Let me show
So hard.
from this page. And there are very details: class accuracy, tallest question, longest question, interesting facts. Like this, there are a lot of details about my quizzes. Let me see the.
Can you press on the question and to see the questions that were?
Now the internet is unstable, so I'm waiting for it, Christina. I will show it.
Okay.
I also wondering now. Let me stop sharing and then I'm clicking. I'm entering again it. Yes, I found it.
The question is, what was the hottest temperature where it was recorded?
Which country has the longest coastline in the world?
This is the first one, right?
Do you want it?
No, the first one is about the temperature.
Do you want my friends to do it again?
No.
No.
We're going to learn geography today,
No,
right?
please don't do it to me, to us.
Okay, then. I'm doing to my students again and again. When they are success, they get self-esteem for them. Yes, which country has the longest coastline in the world? I think it was Indonesia. Show answer. No, Canada. I remembered wrong.
I made Indonesia too, but it
Yes.
wasn't correct.
What is the capital of the Philippines? Manila. What is the world's smallest country? Vatican City. What country has the greatest number of active volcanoes? Indonesia. Where was the hottest temperature ever recorded? Libya. Which of these countries has three national capitals? South Africa. And the last, not last, in which ocean is the island of Madagascar? Indian.
I want to ask a question because the order of the questions that I did was not the same. I mean, does it like shift, like shuffle? Do the
Yes,
questions shuffle?
all the participants don't do it at the same questions at the same time.
Ah, so you cannot know if we have like the first and the sixth, but they were like different questions,
Yes, yes, of
not the
course.
same question.
Because of not copying, for example, in the classroom between the students,
Oh,
the questions was different from students to students. And the Mount Fuji in Japan, my friends. Did you enjoy it from doing it?
yes, it was fun.
Yes, it was
Yes.
funny, enjoyable.
Yes,
Thank you. It was very funny.
Thank you, teacher. It was good.
my students liked it very much, and they all want it again and again at my lessons. So I want to introduce it to you, my dear friends. The all things I will tell about it like this. If you have a question, you can ask me, or I will end the meetings. Thank you, Christina, for listening to me. Anyone else?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank
It
you
was
for
great.
presentation.
Thank you
It
for
was very
all
good,
attendance
funny.
my presentation. On Monday,
It was good. Thank you.
every
Good
teacher.
evening.
Thanks a lot, Dorina and the other friends. Have a good evening with your family. See you again on
Good evening.
Monday evening.
Good evening. See you, teacher.
Care
Thank
of
you.
yourself. See you.